This is my Federal Signal AR timer. It's a siren control timer. It doesn't really actually control completely the siren. It controls a relay because it doesn't put out enough electricity to power the siren. It has 4 buttons. A test button, which just opens the circuit and will keep the siren on or the relay on as long as you hold down the button. And then you got alert, which is 3 minute or 1 minute. Mine is 3 minutes. And then you got attack, which is 1 minute, and a high, low, or wail. And then you have cancel to cancel the circuit or to cancel the relay from going. And you have 2 lights. You got your running pilot light or your power pilot light, and then you got your running pilot light or active light or cam motion. And then inside you got you can run 220 off of it. I'll show you here because I don't want to shock myself again. You got a positive here and negative here, and if you're running 220, you have positive there and negative there. For 220 and 120 is right there. Then right here you have positive going out for the relay and negative coming back. And then if you want to remote control, have a remote control, set it off, and you put these wires in. Oh, I still have them somewhere. And then I actually bought this from Blue Valley Emergency Warning. It didn't come with the my Thunderbolt. I had to buy it separately. And this one will be designated for the Thunderbolt. And here's how it kind of works. Let me get a flashlight. So here is the transformer where all the power comes in. It takes either 120 or 220, and it turns it into enough power to run these. So I'm not sure what it is, what it runs off of, but here's how it basically works. There are no microcircuits in it. It's just got cams, and that's a clock motor, and then these are wheels. And those things right there are switches. Those things on top, and these things are the wheels. The one right there on the left is for alert, which is 3 minutes. The one there in the center is for attack, which is the 1 minute actual cycle time. And then the one there on the right is when it turns off and on, the cycle of it. And my particular one was made in October 1983. And I'm going to show you. That was like that when I got it. So here I'm going to do a test. I have this real cheap siren right here, and this is what it looks like apart. I blew this motor out. I got lots of these too. Those two are the same thing. Alright. It's not. This is running on like 9 volts. So. Alright, and then I'm going to press alert. Alert. Alright, here it is rotating. So I hit the cancel button, and if you notice, it's still spinning because it's got to complete the circuit. And I'm going to hit attack, and if you notice, if I hit attack, I can't go back to alert, but I can hit alert and go to attack because they got priorities over each other. So I'm going to go to alert and then attack. And you see, I can't go from attack to alert. I can hold it down and it'll keep it on, but once I let go, it'll start doing attack again. I'll show you again. Alright, then it's about done. Thank either the motor or it's done. And that's kind of how it works. There's this lock right here. It's not much of a lock, but it's more to keep it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'll get it later. But it's a lock to help it keep shut or stay shut in the little compartment. And that's really all that is to that. And if you look closely, right there, that little arm right there, and then that little hole right there is for the AF timer, for the fire signal. So these are basically the same. And there'd be one more relay right there. These are basically the same between an AR timer and AF timer. And since an AF timer is a little bit more rare than an AR timer, AF timers are a bit more expensive. And I don't have a three-tone or three attack siren, so I don't have an AF timer. Alright, that's about it.